Hi guys! Welcome back to another video. Today, it's gonna be like a simple day. Oh, well, sorry I didn't upload for a while. Wait. Is the lights not on? Wait there. I gotta turn on the lights. Is that better? I'm pretty sure. Give a like if you think it feels better. Well, today, I'm making the 10 subscriber play button. I don't think I've ever seen a video of this. I just seen some videos like about like 1 subscriber, 100 subscribers. That's all I've seen. Well, today I'm showing you and I'm making it. Look, I'm making like something right now. Look, by Jillian Ponsard. Congrats, you hit 10 subscribers. Sorry for the bad looking play button, so it's kind of bad looking, but I'm trying, okay guys? I might have to do it again, but I don't want to. Okay, so I don't really know what to add here. Maybe I should make it look like a frame. No, but oh, maybe I should make like a 3D play button. I'm kind of good doing these things. Okay, I'm making the play button right now. I'm gonna show you when I finish. Okay, now I got to color it. And also I had to add like a line to show the angle so that it just doesn't look like one part of it. Okay, so right now it just looks normal, but I'm gonna add a line like right here. Okay, just wait there. That looks horrible. Well, at least it's the play button, right? At least I made the play button thing. Well, since I made this by myself and there is no such thing as a 10 subscriber play button, and you might be wondering, why? Why wouldn't there be a 10 subscriber play button? Well, there's like 25, 30 million YouTubers that already got past that, so it will be too much play buttons to deliver to YouTube. And I'm just using I'm just using like ideas from other YouTubers. So I'm just gonna add this to the wall. Okay. Wall here. And let me tell my dad I made this play button. Papa! I made a 10 subscriber play button.
You hit 10 subscribers? Come Terno? Non ce l'avevi 20? Ah, su Twitter?
No.
Come Terno?
He said, what do you mean by 10? What do you mean by 10? Wait, you mean Twitter? No, I don't have Twitter. I have 20. Well, I didn't get a big idea about 20 subscribers, so yeah. So, is there any tape around me? Nope. Let me go to the garage and get tape. And also I'm recording my phone, so if you're wondering why there's like these small stops, that's because the switching camera. I'm kind of scared, like to step. There it is. Okay, I hope this works. Okay,
Julian, what are you doing?
I'm recording in 1 second.
What are you recording?
I'm making a 10 subscriber play button and I'm trying to hang it on the wall. Hey, can you give me,
I made a YouTube channel.
oh, okay. Okay, can you give me the scissors? Look, My brother just made a YouTube channel. What are you gonna call it? Jean-Luc Ponsard?
It says Jean-Luc.
Oh, maybe you should make a video now.
Ooh. Okay. Bye. I'm leaving.
Wait, you need to get scissors.
Yeah, I'll go get it.
Please. I hope he gets the scissors, and I'm not gonna do link in description. Sorry. But all I can say is that his YouTube channel is called Jean-Luc Ponsard. The Jean-Luc part is no space, so let me just show you. Actually, no. I hope my brother gets the scissors. Let's see if he did. Do you have the scissors?
Wait.
Are you trying to search my YouTube channel? Get the scissors, quickly!
Okay, I'm just doing something.
Why are you like? Oh, thank you for subscribing. Finally.
You had 19 subscribers?
Well, I lost one. But I gained one. Okay, I guess I'm just gonna get scissors by myself. It really smells. Where are you, scissors? It's kind of starting to make me think, what am I doing? Oh, there you are, scissors. Eesh. Okay, never mind about him. I'm not telling him. Let's see if he really gets the scissors. Okay, finally. Okay, finally. Let's get this. There you are. Congrats, you hit 10 subscribers by Julian Ponsard. If I were YouTube, I would give out like all of these play buttons, even though it would be too much, but I don't think I'll really care. But if I was working on YouTube, I guess I understand why they don't want to. But anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. And remember to check out my brother's channel. He didn't do any vlogging videos, but maybe subscribe to him if he makes videos. Okay, so see you guys next time, and remember to subscribe if you didn't. So bye!